Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube premium videos for free in the app, so you can watch the videos without any interruption or internet later on when you want to. So first of all, when you go to App Store or the Google Play Store, it works on both Android and iPhone. Find the YouTube app. So I'm going to find it, type YouTube. Once you found the YouTube app, make sure to download the app and then open the app. Just going to wait a few seconds. This only works on the app, it doesn't work on the internet browser. Once you're here, go to the video that you want to download and find the video. So in my case, I'm going to choose one of my own videos. So I'm going to choose this video here. Just gonna pause it. Now as you can see, this bar over here, slide it to the side and then tap on this download. Once you tap on this download, it will get downloaded to your phone to watch later on without any interruption or internet. You could choose any videos on YouTube to download if they have the option here. So I'm just gonna show you where it's getting downloaded. You're gonna go down here. It says download here. Go over here, and as you see, it got downloaded here. Now I can watch this video without internet. Let's turn off the internet. As you can see, just wait a few seconds. As you can see guys, this video is working. This video is working without any internet. That's what it means to have premium. Just gonna wait a few seconds. That's what it means to have premium, guys. So without interruption, you can watch the videos without having any internet or anything. Also, by the way guys, premium you could get for free 30 days. I'll leave the link in description for tutorial how to get premium for free. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.